Development. My name is Girija. Today I brought 5 points, rather blessings, about this situation. Firstly, families are all together. So, children and families together, when they are facing the hardship and staying home, children develop good emotional strengths. Their emotional strength has a long term benefit. They are perceiving that the whole family is together under hardships. So, when these parents, young parents, when they grow old, the children will take care of them. My guess is it's unlikely they put them in any old age home. Then, the second blessing, the greatest blessing is under these situations, at least we have online education. The young children and little ones who should not be going out to schools can still have a social gathering, their own preschools and schools online. Online education brings all the children together and their self-learning ability improves through online education. It may be for a short duration, but it is very effective. So that's another blessing that we have a substitute. Then the third point is, if at all the schools allow some elders and grown up children, higher secondary children, if at all they go to school, children who are capable of handling themselves without adult supervision, with their hygiene or masks or mandatory social distancing and things like that, only should be going to schools so that their social networking and social presence is taken care of. And then this is the situation where the higher order personality attributes need to be manifested in families. If a sacrifice, commitment, something, a special higher order level attitudes are to be shown, this is the time. Those who are missing out on the careers need not really feel very bad about it, because again, because of the technology, they can stay home and improve upon or upgrade their skills besides taking care of household chores and children and their education. We have 24 hours in a day. Even if we sleep for 8 hours or 10 hours, we still are left with 14 hours. And if 4 hours are spent for other household chores and taking care of children and all, we are still left with 8 or 10 hours which we can use to upgrade our skills. So, nothing to worry. Once the situation becomes normal, probably those who stayed home and upgraded their skills will have better opportunities. And then, in a human lifespan, which may be on an average 75 years or 80 years, what is just about 12 months or a little more than that, if one has to really stay home and take care of children and sacrifice a few things because of this unforeseen pandemic. So one need not really feel too low or bad, but catch up with the times. Then finally, this is also as though the gods have planned some kind of strategy to feel compassion, to feel empathy towards all those people who must have missed on education totally. And a few generations have gone and still some generations must be stepping into schools. Think of those generations who did not have those privileges. Now, if under these circumstances, if one has to adjust a little bit for a few months or so, it should not really affect us. So, let us have that great human spirit of enthusiasm, and let such spirit overtake the worry and help in creating a better world. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.